Hi, my name's Johnny, and today I've got some exciting news for all the vapers out there who have missed nipping into their local vape shop over the last few months. Now, the past few months have affected everyone in different ways, and whilst normality may still be quite a way off, things are starting to look up. Now, as you all know, Totally Wicked shops have been closed since March due to government guidance. Whilst these store closures had its challenges, we'd like to thank everybody who stuck with Totally Wicked through these tough times. Whether you ordered online or bought from one of our partners such as Eurogarages or Sainsbury's. Now, the good news is that as of Monday the 15th of June, Totally Wicked stores are back open to the public. We're delighted to be able to reopen, but there will be a few slight changes to let you know about, which I'll move on to in a few moments. But before that, I have some more good news for you. To thank you all for your patience over the past months, and to celebrate the reopening of our stores, all of our company-owned stores will be giving 25% off everything. We've also had an exciting new arrival in the Wisbeck R80, so if you think you deserve a post-lockdown treat, this could be just the thing. But before you come rushing back to see us, there are of course some important pieces of information to tell you. The safety of customers and of staff is of primary concern, so the following measures will be in place. You're now probably used to most of these procedures if you've visited a supermarket, for example. But first of all, no couples or groups will be allowed in the store at any one time. 2 metre distancing must be practiced at all times between yourself, other customers and employees. And we've marked out all of the stores with clear guidance. Now, if you're showing symptoms of coronavirus, we kindly ask you to order online or have somebody come in store for you. We will accept cash, but contactless card payments are preferred. And please make your visit as brief as possible for the time being. I'm sure the team will be delighted to see you again for a catch-up, but safety is of course the most important factor right now. We will also be playing our part to keep everybody safe, and cleanliness and hygiene is a given. So if you wipe down surfaces after you've touched them, don't be offended, it's just precautionary. We've also suspended flavour testing and product demonstrations for the time being, but we are happy to set up your new kit for you if you wish. Now, we can't wait to see you in store soon, but if you prefer to continue shopping online, we are still fully operational and working hard to get your orders out to you as quickly as possible. Take care, stay safe, and thanks for remaining Totally Wicked.